Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change Facebook page name. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, go to your Facebook page and then go to menu page. Now just tap on settings. From your settings, you can see page and then under page, you can see page settings. Just tap on page settings. Now right here you can see your personal information and then the name of your page. Now just tap on name to change the name of your Facebook page. So now you'll be able to change your Facebook name. For example, this name, just tap on that box to change the name. And there is a note right here that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So you have to be sure about the name or the new name of your Facebook page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.